Hello, everyone. This is Sean again, your Customer Success Manager with Product Customizer. Quick video here to give you a tour of what you will see and what the various areas are within our app. So once you're logged into your store's admin, you can always go to Apps here on the left-hand side, and it will give you a list of all of the apps that you've installed on your store. So you'll notice that on our demo store here, I've got a couple different apps. Product customizers here. If you just click on it, give it a minute, or I'm sorry, a second or two, it will go ahead and pull up. And of course, if you see a blank screen at this point for any reason, and actually I do right now, and it's because I'm using a new browser than I normally use, you'll notice blank screen. That's a problem. Look up here at the top of your browser. You'll see redirect blocked on this page. I've already created a separate video about that. Just go ahead and select always allow pop-ups, done, and then go ahead and click it again, and this time click the hyperlink at the top. What that's going to do is refresh the page. It's going to allow the pop-up within this Shopify A-frame to properly display. So it'll pull up again, and this time no more blank screen, and you'll have your Product Customizer app displaying and ready to go. And this is what you should see. All right, so on this, we've got our home area for Product Customizer. You can always look up here to see what area of the app you're in, first and foremost. This is the home, so you can always click here to go back to this home page. Right now, we're default to the Product tab, so we're on this Products tab here. We also have an Options tab and a Templates tab. All Products is it will automatically import all of your Shopify store products into this area of the app. So you'll create your products in the normal area of Shopify here, but once you're in the app, it's going to automatically display those products here for the purpose of getting ready to add some options to these products. The second tab is your Options tab, and this is where you are going to create new options. So if I want to create a set of radio buttons, or if I want to create a drop-down menu, all you have to do is go up here, click Add Option. It'll bring you to all the different selections that you can make for that new option, and then you save it, and it throws it into here in your options section. And then from here, I can actually go into any product. I can click that product, and then I can actually add an option by simply searching here for various options. Of course, I forgot what those options were called, so I'm going to go back to my main Product Customizer homepage. Looks like I have an option for size and scent. So I'm going to go back to options. I'm going to go back to products. You'll see it's actually pretty intuitive and straightforward. I'm going to click on the product I want to add an option to. In this case, scent. If I start searching, it will just automatically display any options with that title. If I click on that, it's going to add that option to this product. I'm going to add both these options, scent and size. And then you'll notice I've got a couple of arrows here. If I want scent to display first and size to display second, this is fine. But if I want to switch them, I can click this here, move down, and it's going to switch. It's going to move that scent option to the bottom. So I can reorder my options anytime. I can delete these options from the product. I can even duplicate this option so that I can have it twice and then maybe tweak the option slightly. So you'll notice it's all pretty intuitive. I can add existing options. I can create a new option here within the Products tab. I can also, if I'm a premium Product Customizer user, I can use the conditional logic area and create conditional logic flows where certain product options will display or not display based on what my customer has already selected in a previous field. So that's our conditional logic area. I'm going to go back to the home page by clicking here. And the third section is called Templates. This is where I can actually create a set of options that I want to then apply to 50 different products on my store. So if I have 50 different t-shirts and I want to put an option to upload a file for custom printing on those t-shirts and an option to, gift it to somebody or type a certain text on the back of the t-shirt, I can add all those options here. I can create a template and then I can apply that template to a whole group of products. So again, up here we have add template, pretty straightforward. I can search for options that I want to add to this template. And then I can name this template. And then go ahead and save template up here. Pretty straightforward. And then what I will do is the only way to actually apply these templates is to go back to products and apply them there. So if I go to products, I'm going to filter products. And play around with these filters here. You'll find them. And then what I'll do is I will go ahead and apply. I'll select these products. I can add options to them. And here I'm just going to search for the template that I just created, which was t-shirts, but I didn't save it. So I can apply individual options to products or whole templates, which are groups of product options that I've created. And then again, anytime you do this, you go to the product. Once your options are in, you can click View in Store here at the top. And when I do, it takes me to my store. It shows me my products and it shows me the extra options. You'll notice I've got one for size and one for scent. Pretty straightforward. And then I can either add or remove options here. Click View in Store again. And once it refreshes, it will have removed that particular product. All right, that's all for today. Just a quick walkthrough of the simple sections within the app. It is a simple app, but that's on purpose. We wanted to keep it intuitive and make it simple for anyone to use, even without a video like this. Please email us anytime at support@productcustomizer.com, and we are here 24/7. Sometimes it'll take us an hour or two to get back to you, but during the day, we're pretty quick on those responses. So thanks so much. Enjoy the app, and we'll talk to you soon.